The English language is chock full of words that trip up the native speakers and second language users alike. The two words may and might cause a lot of ambiguity in English, and many writers are unsure when to use which one. Today in this video, let us burst the bubble of confusion around these words. The first thing which we need to understand is that auxiliary verbs denote different meanings in different sentences. The first condition we are taking here is of possibility. The meaning of the first sentence is that perhaps Jack will come to see us tomorrow. Now we have the use of might in a sentence. Now the question arises when to use might and when to use may in the case of possibility. Remember one thing, the ground rule is when the possibility is bleak, always might is used. The second condition is of permission. When we have to take permission in a formal way, then we should use may. It is often observed that students use can for seeking permission from the teacher. It is absolutely incorrect syntax. These examples shows how might is used in the past form for seeking permission. Now comes the third condition, that is past possibility. On the prima facie, all these examples look same. But if you are referring to a possibility in the sentence which is in the past, and you know that it did not actually happen or occur, it is always preferable to use might have. The last example will show you the difference between might have and may have. And we are on the last condition, that is a wish or a hope. It is as simple as it looks. And we are done with the video. Do comment with your sentences using these two modals. Until then, see you next time. Keep practicing.